Well, we didn't get her actually taking the bee out on film, but I figured she took the bee out. There you go, you're playing with your bee. Hey, bee. Bee, 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 bee. Come on, make it squeak. You made it squeak before. Make the bee squeak, honey. Come on, you made the bee squeak before. You can make it squeak. Come on, honey. It's a squeaky bee. I love that thing. I thought you'd love that thing. Come on, squeeze the bee. Squeeze the bee. You can squeeze the bee. It's. Come on, squeeze the bee. Squeeze the bee. Come on, Mercy, squeeze the bee. You've done it before, honey. Come on, squeeze the bee. Make it squeak, honey. You've made it squeak before. You can make that bee squeak, can't you? You've made the bee squeak before, hon. You ready to take another one out? Yeah. Make the bee squeak. There you go. That's my darling. That's right. Oh, that's my little beloved boo-boo. Oh, I love that thing. Oh. Well, ta-ta for now. I'm glad at least you got to see her playing with a bee. Even though we didn't actually film her taking it out, she took it out and now she's enjoying it.